Hello, I am speaking Dr. Deshbandhu Bajpayee from Kanak Polytherapy Clinic and Research Center, 67/70 Bhusa Toli Road, Bartan Bazar, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. In this part 9 of the series of Ayurveda inventions in medical sciences, innovations and research work which have been done previously in the field of Ayurveda by the eminent physicians of India. So, in this series, we are part 9 taking at the moment, in which the electrophysiography was sent to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Government of India at New Delhi for the assessment and its efficiency to be examined by the experts. So this was sent to by National Innovation Foundation and its sponsored Ministry of Science and Technology. As I have already told you what happened before that one. So Ministry of Science and Technology has sent the matter to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in the Department of Ayush. So we got information from Ayush Ministry as you see on the screen. They sent me a letter and asked me to present myself before a committee to examine the technology on 23rd December 2004. So I went there with the accessories which I have developed in my research center at Kanak Polytherapy Clinic and Research Center in Kanpur. So now you are looking here the ECG machine, the computer and the accessories which I used to develop this technique round about years and years, very slowly and gradually, and established a parameter, a standard parameter before the Ayurvedic fraternity to show the ability of diagnosis of Ayurveda principles, Vata, Pitta and Kapha and Prakriti of the any individual, either male or female or of any age. So for that we developed so many accessories which were of use to test, to examine the test and developed it. We selected the part of the body on the basis of Marmesthan and on the basis of Vata, Pitta, Kapha, each Bhed, five kinds of Vata, five kinds of Pitta and five kinds of Kapha were adjourned simultaneously, and as it is said and narrated in Bhav Prakash, in Charak, in Susrut Sangita. We have taken in cumulative way all the Marmisthan and all the five Ved or kinds. And on the day 23rd December 2004, I presented myself at the Department of Ayush, which was at that time on the Red Cross Road, which is in between the gate number 3 and gate number 4 of Parliament, the opposite side of the Parliament. So I went there and produced myself before a panel at 11 o'clock in the Department of Ayush, which was consist of and were present Dr. S.K. Sarma, Advisor, Ayurveda Government of India, Dr. D.C. Katoch, which was at that time the Deputy Director, Deputy Advisor of the Ayurveda Department. And there was 4 or 5 another officers was present, and they asked me each and every possible and related questions of the technology very vigorously, very bitterly, and very strongly. They asked me, and 1.5 hours they were inquiring me how I have done it, why, what idea, how you have got the idea, any support from any person. I told him that nobody have supported me, nor anybody helped me. I have developed this technology on my own shoulder, and uh, the all the connectivity and the use of only one section of ECG machine, because ECG machine having 12 channels to record the ECG. So 3 is unilateral, 2 say bilateral, 3 is bilateral, and 6 is vascular leads, which is used in electrocardiograph machine. But I have used only one section of the electrocardiography machine, and the rest of the channels I have never used. Then I developed with the one channel into the whole system. As you see, the machine is here, and the accessories already you have seen there. So I narrated each and everything before the panel who was asked, and I narrated each and everything within the 1.5 hour session. So everything I discussed, Dr. S.K. Sarma and Dr. D.C. Katoch were very actively asked me every possible question, every possible matters related to electrotherapy, and what I feel that it was a very strong interview. I gave him a research paper copy which you are seeing here on the screen. So they got it and read it. After that, they asked me that, okay, now everything we have got it. You will prepare yourself for another session of the interview at 3 o'clock. So they also asked me as a protocol that today you are a guest of honor in ministry. So today you are guest of government of India. So keep it in your mind. At 3 p.m. I prepared myself and ready to go and present at committee room, where after a few minutes Dr. S.K. Sharma and Dr. D.C. Katoch with their assistants, advisors who were present in the meeting, and some dignitaries and high grade professors like Dr. Banwari Lal Gaur, who was at that time the director of National Institute of Ayurveda, Jaipur, and with him one Dr. Sharma, who was professor in NIA, but I forget his name, complete name I forget it. I only remember his surname. He was Dr. Sharma, accompanied with Dr. B.L. Gaur. Dr. G.S. Lavekar came in between the meeting, and he was director of Council of Research in Ayurveda and Siddha at that time. So with the others he came, and so many people were joined the meeting, and they saw my performance in committee hall. I narrated each and everything and gave them my research paper, copy to each and every one. One Dr. Tripathi was from Delhi government, New Delhi government, and he was a director. I think so. He was a director level personality. So he asked me so many questions, and many dignitaries were there related to cardiology, and perhaps one cardiologist was present, was called from All India Institute of Medical Sciences. So I am not sure about his name and identity, but I think that someone was present there as a cardiologist, and he asked so many questions relating to cardiology and relating to joining the Ayurveda and Nali Parichan and other things which was related to this technology. So lot of questions were asked me at the time of beginning of the meeting, right from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m., 7:30 p.m. So it was a marathon meeting which was done inside the Ayush ministry. So at that time it was Department of Ayush. Now it is Ayush Ministry of Ayush. So when I went there, it was Department of Ayush. So I replied very well as possible as to it could be. Dr. BL Sharma, in between overall the personalities who was sitting inside the committee hall as a panel member, in between them Dr. Banwari Lal Gaur has asked me such a bitterly, such a sourish, such a strong questions for which a person can irritate very easily on the questions and the replies. But I took it in positive way and I replied each and every question in my own way, whatever it was possible to me. I think that the panel is was it was a very strong collection of the dignitaries. The selection of dignitaries was very well, and asking such questions gave me a new life and a new turn about the technology improvement with a logical way. And I always remember and never forget Dr. Banwari Lal Gaur. I respect him, and he gave me a new turn after questioning such a vigorous way, which I never forget in my life. But the questions gave me a shield and a responsibility to reply the question in a logical manner, and I thought that he gave me a new line to think over the technology, and this was the result that I have got a good success in preparing the new machine, and the logic behind the system uh, established a logical manner. So I think that the panel was very important place in my life to develop the technology in such a way, in such a logical way that it could not be cut over the anyone who can challenge it. So this was a turning point. Then now you see here the letter which is sent to me by the uh, by Department of Ayush that your entry, your technology is going to be sent and will be examined by the CCRAS, and Dr. Lavekar will see it again.